have an amazing and a prosperous year ahead. Today's video is completely dedicated to that resolution we had always, that we should have flawless skin, a blemish-free skin, and I think I broke it. I never fulfilled this resolution. So today's video is completely dedicated to that skincare resolution. So today I'm going to share with you all the products we need to use, or we should implement that in our daily routine to get that really flawless, blemish-free skin. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing is, early in the morning, as soon as I wake up, I cleanse my face. Now for cleansing, I use the Lotus Herbal Tea Tree Wash. I've spoken a lot about this in my previous videos. I also have a complete review about this product in my blog. I will leave it in the cards or in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Once I'm done cleansing my face, the next thing we all tend to sort of avoid is toning. Now we all know there's a CTM process, now that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and we always forget toning. Now toning is really important, and I personally use the Watchers Refining Toner. It is an alcohol-free toner, and it is also fragrance-free, so it does not it is alcohol-free, so it does not give any hard effects on your face later on or something. So make sure you implement a toner if you don't have in your daily routine. Once I'm done toning my face, the next thing is to moisturize my face. And for moisturizer, I use the Nivea Nourishing Lotion Body Milk. It is for very dry skin. I got it only for the winter season, and it is amazing. This actually moisturizes your skin and gives that rich feeling onto your skin. So it's beautiful, it's amazing. So make sure you try this. And sometimes, just for that little extra nourishment on my face, I use the Himalaya Herbals Natural Glow Fairness Cream. It's been 2 weeks I'm using this, and it's really nice. It does the work. You do have some 5 visible results, so go check it out. Go try this. This is really amazing. And yeah, this works well. Once I'm done with that, the next thing you have to do is apply a sunscreen. Now this is something I tend to skip. I don't skip applying sunscreen, but I skip, like, you know, I use product which already have an SPF, so I sometimes skip using this. But I'm thinking to start using this again in 2017 without fail. So make sure you'll have a sunscreen in your skincare closet. So this is really important. Next thing we always tend to forget are our hands. Now for hands, I use the Biotic Botanicals Rejuvenating Hand Moisturizer. Now this is 100% botanical extracts, and it smells like jasmine sort of a smell, so this is really nice. And just to give that, you know, extra scent or that extra fragrance to your body, I use the Nykaa's fragrance mist in the same flavor, the French lavender. It's really mild, so it works really well. So this is like what I use. I use really little of it, so goes a really long way. So this is and once I'm done with my day, I come back to my home. In the night, I do again the CTM process, but before that, when I apply a little makeup, it's necessary I remove the makeup. So I don't use a makeup remover. The only thing I use is the Himalaya Herbals Refreshing Cleansing Milk. Now this is what I use to remove my makeup. I don't personally like using a makeup remover to remove my makeup because it dries my skin. So instead of that, I use a cleansing milk. Now this is the Himalaya Herbals, and it sort of hydrates your skin, so you remove your makeup as well as it removes your makeup, as well as it moisturizes, so you don't feel your skin really dry and flaky. So once I'm done removing my makeup, the next thing I do is I have 3 processes in the night. That is, sometimes I exfoliate, sometimes I apply a tan pack, and sometimes I do the only cleansing part. So when I'm exfoliating, I like to use a scrub, and I use the Jovi's Ayurvedic Detan Scrub. Now this is a beautiful product. It is also Ayurvedic, and so you just take a little bit of it, apply it onto your face, massage it for like 2 minutes, and then leave it on 5 minutes, and then you can just wash your face off, and that'll be done. Okay, that is the exfoliating part. The next thing is the tan pack. Now for the tan pack, I use the VLCC's Clear Tan Pack. This is the fruit flavor. It also has a sun defense in it. So I use this for a tan pack, and I use this once a week. And once I'm done cleansing my face, I use the toner. And for the toner, I use the same Watchers toner or the La Roche-Posay. And once I'm done toning my face, the next thing is to moisturize. And for moisturization in the night, I use the Himalaya Herbals Revitalizing Night Cream. I've spoken a lot about this on my channel. I also have a complete review about this on my blog. I'll leave it in the cards or in the description box down below. So make sure you check that out. Once I'm done moisturizing my face, the next thing is to moisturize my feet. And for that I use the Eva Halal's Nourishing Foot Massage Cream. And for those days when I'm really lazy, the only thing I do is moisturize my face with the night cream. And then I go on with my favorite parachute oil. Now, if you don't really like using this, you can use the almond oil or the olive oil, but I personally like the parachute oil. I use the parachute oil all around my hands, my feet, my elbows, my knees. I make sure I massage properly. Then I put on my socks and I have that really cozy sleep. It'll be amazing. You'll sleep really warm and you'll feel really warm. And those are all the products that I use. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all did, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can see my previous videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!